Hello my crafty friends, it's Lynne again over at Scrapbook Sundries, and I just wanted to come at you tonight with what I was up to this evening. And I was watching some videos, getting caught up on some stuff, and I ran across a couple of videos by Crafty Devotions, Liz Benavides, I think her name is Lisa Benavides. Anyway, she's so cool. Love her flowers, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna make some flowers. And oh my god, look, here's, and this is the first time I've made tulle ones. So here's tulle, right, and got layered going on, and I put a nice little circle on the back to keep it still. And then look at this one, and these are, oops, these are lace ribbon, right? And this is lace crochet, and oh, I just love them. Look at this one. This one is just all double layer lace. You can see my hand through the background, but look at that. And then this cute little bling rhinestone, whatever flower that I have those in my destashes. And so everything here, is from my stash. Look, this one's really cute. I just adore this one. It's got this big, huge, flat back pearl with kind of an opalescent, so it's shiny. And then, oh my god, look at this lace right here. This is gorgeous. It was back behind in my stash in a box, and I was like, oh my god, I didn't even know I had that lace. It's absolutely gorgeous. If I'd known before, I probably would have given it all away in a destash. So anyways, and then I've got this pretty white chiffon back here, and you can see how I sewed it together, but when you put it down like this, you can't tell, obviously, because the ruffles. So, oh, that's so pretty. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, and then this one, here's some more. Look how big they are, too. And this is like, I don't know if you can see this. See that pale pink? This is like the palest of pink. There's a little bling in the center there. And here's another one with a different little bling, which these are some that I've sold in my destash. I picked these up, these little ones, when I was in London. So that's where that came from. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. But I think by far this is my favorite right here. Look at that. That pretty pink. Everybody knows I love pink. And then of course this applique, this sunflower applique, is from my stash, and I've got those for sale in my little Etsy store, Scrapbooking Sundries, all one word, just in case you want to know. But yeah, I just love this. This is my favorite. So anyways, I just wanted to share what I was doing this evening, because everybody's always, sharing what they make, and I never do that. I usually just, I don't think to do it, and then I sell it and it's gone. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna make some, and then I'm gonna put some in my destashes and sell them along with my destashes. I got a couple of nice destashes coming up with Prima paper, that Misty Rose, I think it's called. So be on the lookout for that. And I think it's called Misty Rose. Is it Misty Rose? Yes, Misty Rose. I had to look behind me. Misty Rose, and I got some pink champagne paper and some Santa Fe Garden, I think it's called, from Michael's. Oh my god, that paper's so gorgeous. And yeah, so anyways, and I've got a couple of Graphic 45 kits, destash as well coming up. I got some beautiful paper in. So anyways, that's what's going on over the next few days. So stay in touch, and of course, keep an eye out. Go to my subby giveaway, and make sure that you sign up, and you are one of the contestants. And it's pretty. I love this one too. I love, it's so hard. You make them, and then you're like, oh, I don't want to part with them. I just want to hang them on my wall and stare at them. All right, well, you guys have a great evening, and thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. I'd love to hear your remarks, good or bad, about my new flower sensation, okay? Talk to you later, and have a great night. Bye.